Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to deposit a check in Bank of America app. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Bank of America application on your phone. Once you open it, you should go and click on login and log in into your account using your credentials. And after logging in with your credentials, you want to go and click on deposit checks down below right here. Once you click on it, here you can simply click on get started. Then you want to read all these terms and conditions, then click on accept. And after that, click on accept again, then click on I agree. After that, you will have to provide two pictures of the check, one of the front and one of the back of the check. So this is a very necessary step. Once you take the photo like so, you need to make sure that the photo has good light or good illumination, good quality, and it is not blurred. So you have to use your camera focus in order to give you a very clear photo like this. After that, you want to go and click on deposit to and select the account that you want to deposit the money to. Here I have multiple accounts. I will choose one of them. And after that, you want to go and click on amount and enter the amount of the check actually inside it. Then you want to go and click on continue. Then you want to go and click on make deposit. And now we want to go and click on done, and your check will be deposited in a few couple of days of depositing or doing this process. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.